Hey, Dad,
What?
it's close to Halloween, Dad.
You sure about that?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know why, or what day it is, but it's close to Halloween, Dad.
Okay.
Now, I want to be a clown this Christmas. No, wait. Halloween.
Halloween?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I want to be a what's this for Halloween?
Oh, what's this?
A clown, Dad. A clown!
Okay, let's see what I can do.
Yay.
Well, time to eat some delicious pizza. That's like the last two spices.
Chef asshole,
What do you want, Oxen?
can you make me some dinner? I'm starving.
What are you talking about?
I'm just starving. What are you talking about?
I got like these last two slices of pizza.
Give me them all.
What?
I said give me them all. You know what I'm saying? Like, give me them all, man. And you know what I'm saying?
Okay. Here you go, Oxen.
Yay.
That's weird.
Oh, boy. Time to eat some delicious pizza.
What a nice day. Hey, Dad.
What?
When's Cheese coming back?
I don't know where he is.
Dad, you literally sent him out of the house to do something.
Like what?
I don't know. Doing something?
I'm sure he's fine.
Hello, Cheese Gerald Freeman. What an unironic name, huh?
I swear it's that demon paralysis again. I knew it. Ooh, cool ice cream truck.
I know you're after me, Cheese. What are you gonna do now? What the? What's going on over there? What is going on out there? Hello?
Let me inside, Connor!
Ah, damn it! I was so close too! Damn it! Might as well hit the wall! That's it. House, oh house. Why don't you turn this into a haunted house? Well, there you go. Let's see where it finally gets to be effing killed in that dumbass house. You, Mr. Krabs. Wait, what the hell happened here? At least we got the light on this phone, though. Cheese, what did you do?
I didn't do nothing, man, I swear.
Then why is all the power went out? I just paid the electrical bill.
I don't know.
Cheese, you better tell me something right now.
Fine, I will. Look, I accidentally brung a demon over here.
You what?
Yeah, I accidentally done it. I told him I traded my soul for a nachos.
Why would you do that, Cheese?
I don't know.
Well, why would you do that in the first place, Cheese?
'Cause I want some nachos, damn it.
Well, that's a very bad point there. You want to get all of us in trouble, Cheese?
Well, it's not my fault.
What do you mean it's not your fault? Huh? He's gonna kill all of us.
But let me tell you something. It is Boris's fault for kicking me out the house.
Wait, Boris, you kicked him out? Yeah, what the hell? I wanted him out, but why do you want to kick him out? Because I'm tired of his ass. Well, that's a very valid point. Yeah.
Why are you agreeing with him?
I don't know, okay?
I want to know, see what this on. Damn it. I'm not turning this off. This is what I want. Yeah, why you stopped? Work, damn it.
Turn that shit off!
Fine, whatever. Don't give a damn about that anyway. You know what I'm saying?
Guys, what's going on in here? Cheese apparently brought a demon.
No, I didn't.
Cheese, what? He brought a demon over here and he turned the whole house into, like, a darkness. Cheese, why? Why you had to do it, Cheese?
'Cause I want to, okay? Well, actually, I just sold for nachos.
Why would you do that? I would have not cooked your nachos.
I don't want your disgusting ass cooking.
Okay?
Ooh, I like haunted houses. Tell me more, demon. Never mind. You gave me no clue. Oh, look, a spider.
Where? Where's the spider oxen?
Over there.
Huh?
Shoo, get the away from me, you dumbasses. I'm scared. Help me, Connor.
Shut up, Cheese. Oh, I know about this. This is a daddy longleg, but that's ginormous.
Of course it's a daddy long leg. It's not harmless. I don't care. I have a phobia of spiders. Wah. Wah. Oh, so that guy has a phobia of spiders. I'm gonna get him.
So, the spider's dead.
Thank goodness.
So, what else is next? I'm scared. I'm super scared. So, other than that, what actually is next?
Okay.
Ghosts?
Yeah, yes. I'm number 1. And I'm number 2.
Wait, there's 2 of them?
Yes, indeed.
Get out!
But you forgot about me. So which one want to antagonize first?
How about the little boy?
Uh-oh. I have a chance.
Good job, Oxen. That's my boy. Yeah, but what's next for all that matter? Who's there?
Connor, why are you answering the door?
'Cause I want to, Cheese.
What if it's the demon?
It won't be the demon, I promise. Hello?
Hey, it's Frank. I've been appearing in videos before, less than like 5 times, I don't know. So, if you want, can you let me inside?
Aren't you one of the demon scoons?
Why would you think I'm the one of the demon's goons? What demon are you talking about anyway?
There's like a death guy. It looks like death with a skull.
I don't know who that guy is. Just take me in your house. I know how to fix the power. I know what's going on. It happened in my house too. Yeah, I already know how to fix it. Let me in.
Okay. So, what do I need to do to get back the power to my house?
You don't need to do that much. You just gotta flick the breakers in the watches.
In the basement?
Yeah.
What's going on in the basement?
All you just did, just flip the breakers and stuff.
Okay, Cheese, why won't you do it?
I don't want to do it, dumbass.
Come on, Cheese. I don't want my dad to do it, or my son. And the chef has just working too hard these days, so you gotta do it. You're like the least productive thing in around the house.
I don't give a damn, I'm not doing it.
It's fine, I can, turn on the breakers. For some reason, the lights down here are on, so I might as well flip the breakers. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Frank's the name.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. I guess you can leave now.
I'm gonna stay for a little bit.
Why?
Because the demon's coming here right now.
Wait, what?
Well. It's about that time. And I would have gone if it wasn't for, the damn breakers turned off. Jose!
What?
Don't turn the breakers back on.
What are you talking about?
Never mind. Yeah, y'all fooled me. So I'm gonna do it to all of you again. Get off of me, you dumbass. It ain't happening yet. Damn it. Fine, Cheese. Cheese Gerald Freeman. The awkward ass name. Fine, if you want your soul back, then I want you, okay. Let me make it clear. If you want your soul back, then fight me to a showdown in the morning. No, wait, actually right now. Come on, let's go. You serious? I guess it's just you and me, huh?
Well, I guess it is.
Okay, so you're under arrest for torture, shutting off people's breakers, chasing after them like it's nothing, and, disruptive property. Like at least, I gotta get you out. At least like multiple times. Multiple times? Just why not do it multiple times?
You disrupted my trailer.
How did I disrupt your trailer, Tommy? You rat son of a bitch. This is bullshit. How am I getting arrested for the things I love? Probably because you're criminal. Come with me. No, I don't know what you dumbasses. Honestly, you get what you deserve, dumbass. You Cheese. I'll also go back inside. Guys, they're gone. And the police arrested the Whatsis.
Okay, hey, Frank, how long until this guy appears again?
He might break out of jail, so, probably next Halloween. Let me speak. No. Yeah, he's probably gonna break out next Halloween. Jesus, right?
Okay, thanks, you can go now.
Can I play some video games?